right, Eric. Day one.
Day one, little pre-run. Got my buddy Miller here with me. Trusted friend. Trusted friend who got him through the desert. Buenos dias down here in San Felipe for the Baja Vida Snacks.
Absolutely beautiful day. We're at Borrego Road Crossing, day 3 of pre-running. It's a tough course this year, I tell you. It's interesting, not the usual San Felipe as far as just pure bumps. More technical, some really rocky rock gardens, and just more technical. So totally digging it. So just Justin and I are taking our notes and just getting it all dialed in, and we're ready to rock and roll tomorrow. We have qualifying for our start position, so super excited to get going. Yeah, so we're from Borrego in, the mini summit that's been talked about a bunch. Haven't been over it yet, but again, it's really technical and rocky just from the pictures I've seen. So looking forward to, believe it or not, I've never been over the mini summit ever. So it's a new section for me, but and we don't get to see very many new sections in Baja anymore, so super excited about that.
Yeah, and especially for some of these races as much as you.
Yeah, when I tell people, yeah, I've never been over the mini summit, they sort of like, their jaw drops, like, really? But we've only used it a few times. I think 1994 was, I believe, the last time they used it.
Oh, wow.
So it's new, pretty much new to everybody.
Down here in San Felipe for the Baja 250, doing a little pre-running. Beautiful Monday, just before noon, as you can see around here. It's hard to beat this, but we're pre-running in the UTV. A little different than the Class 11 that we'll be racing in on Saturday, but getting a feel for the course, finding a few lines, and it's gonna be fun. The Class 11 doesn't have quite the suspension that this nice UTV has, and I just realized I had it in comfort mode. So I think Saturday, that Class 11, it's going to be a little bit of more of a bunkin' bronco, but that's all right. We're from Brawley, so get a little western.
Out here pre-running for the 250. We got Josh Felix and Justin about to go hop in a Razor and go pre-run for the Bug for Class 11. What do you guys think?
Come on with it, man. This is it's a beautiful experience. I'm grateful for the opportunity. My co-dog right here for the day.
Woo! Let's go.
Gonna do 165 to the finish, and then hopefully tomorrow morning we'll go knock out from 120 to 165 again, and get some good notes and get ready for war.
You guys are all good to go. Have fun. Ryan, what's going on? Where are we at?
Middle of nowhere. Just left this access road that was going to get us right about where that cutoff is, or the bypass for the Class 11s, so they don't have to go up Boulder Canyon. We were headed down there and, you know, wanted to meet up with them just to, you know, double check, make sure they're all good. But without them calling that there's any issues, it sounds like everything's going really good. Don't want to push, you know, no reason to put any stress on the equipment. So turned around because it was getting real soft and whooped out. So no need to put the truck and trailer through that. Just, you know, play it safe.
So the guys just finished pre-running that first section again. We picked them up at race mile 165. How'd it go?
Went good. Ready to go do our autograph signing at the Melecon. I don't know, Tim, what you think of the course?
He was going so fast. How'd the wind feel in your hair, Josh?
Oh, it was amazing. I think I need to change shampoos though. It's kind of curly.
Set.
Where you guys headed?
Petey, somebody has to do the work around here, so I guess it's them. We're going pre-running again. We're gonna meet these good boys at race mile 40, fill them up, then race mile 80, fill them up, then race mile 120, and then we should work our way back to town, and it's taco time. Can't wait for that, for sure.
Did you say work?
No, I said they work. Oh. Yeah. I'm not gonna say that.
The taco time.
Yeah, it's taco time, that's me. Not work. There you go.
Hey, taco time soon.
Taco time!
If I'm gonna be late, I might as well bring you to Mashaka.
That's why we like to get out here early. Because now I'm gonna have a bunch of spec trophy trucks on my ass. Or trophy trucks. They all start coming through.
He has an unbelievable line. Mark it?
I didn't mark it.
No.
But he knows where it is.
Okay.
Hold on. I'm pulling a Roeseler. It's all right here.
Hey, as long as it stays there, you're good.
Yeah.
If it goes somewhere else, that's a problem.
After one rattle in the class 11, I'll be like, huh?
Yeah. What was that?
I don't remember anything. No, it's good.
Good? Everything
Yeah,
good?
found some fun lines. And we're only, what, 40 miles in? It's going to be a long day in a little metal bug. Yeah, we have two good ones that are going to make the difference in that car. Definitely not trophy truck lines. It's very different.
qualifying. Looks like it's going to be a lot of technical. Hopefully the two-wheel drive will stick into it. We can get a good spot in the top 10.
How you doing? I'm good. Right on. Good, hey, just for your information, if you want to know, the fastest truck so far has been 5 minutes and 36 seconds. Oh wow. Yeah. There's another one at 5:55, 6:17, 6:34. So between 5:36 and 6:37 so far. That's a big difference. Huge spread with that.
Mr. Baja Vehicle himself. Baja Vida. The Baja Life. We have Chris Voorhees come on up here, and he's got some of that raw jerky in his hand. Chris, what's going on, man? We got Mr. Baja, Larry Roeseler's vehicle out here. Oh, nice. Go by. Got a little fuel.
Yeah, we all need a snack, right? I mean, even in the truck, it's kind of nice, right? Something to throw them out and keep your excited.
All right, guys. Well, we're saying good luck out there. Can't wait to watch it.
Awesome. Thanks, Dave.
Chris Voorhees, thank you guys. Appreciate all you're doing here. And of course, we'll be keeping an eye on Mr. Baja himself with the Roeseler. Right on, guys. Thanks.
Race day, how we feeling?
Really prepared, ready. We're gonna do guy was right in our way, man. That was our main line, and it's like, get out of here!
Dude, we got some rad footage of you going hauling balls, dude.
Well, you saw some of our, you know,
Best
no, our worst.
Oh, you were?
Our worst, yeah. We loved, dude. We had such a good time.
That's
Thank
rad.
you.
Yeah, yeah.
Like, holy shit.
No,
We had near a perfect run. Near a perfect run.
Really?
Like, we had one broken belt. He changed it like in 3 minutes.
Oh, rad.
And, you know, then we had to stop one other time. Somebody was making sure they were okay. And we had another guy flag us down, and he was trying to get us to tow. We're like, no, what?
No, what?
But, you know, we only missed one line, and then we caught where you saw us kind of bopping around. That wasn't the line we wanted, but we had to take it because we were committed. And
you were hauling the mail there for a minute, though. You were going like 40. We were coming down on you. We were like, yeah, he's getting it.
dude, we had so much fun. He is an awesome co-driver, dude.
Yeah.
He was calling everything. Just made my life easy, you know? But yeah, it was super fun. The car was epic.
Was it?
The car handled perfect.
That's awesome. I'm so stoked.
Yeah.
I'm so stoked to hear. I was getting good updates in a helicopter while we were over Larry, and updating Larry. And he's driving along and go, hey, Eric's at 45. He's all, yeah! So right when I congratulated him for passing, I go, we're going back to get him. He's like, go get him. And then
how did Larry do?
I think he's going to be like 7th or 8th.
Really?
Yeah,
Good for him.
16 trucks he passed.
Yeah! Go Larry! Go Larry!
So we found
Class 11, baby! That's where it's at!
Eric Brandt. In second place out of Ensenada with a time of 10 hours, 24 seconds, 11:45, Esteban Ruiz. And another driver taking